In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your spreadsheet tasks into the right place with the right settings, so everything lands cleanly and stays organized. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into your account. If you're part of more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one for this import. It helps to have your CSV ready beforehand, one row per task, clear column headers in the first row, and consistent formatting for things like dates and tags. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. In the Settings area, find and open Imports/Exports. This is the control center for bringing data into ClickUp. Next, select your source of import. Since we're working with a spreadsheet file, choose CSV. This tells ClickUp how to interpret the file you're about to upload. Now choose where you want these tasks to live. Pick the exact location in your workspace hierarchy, typically down to the list level. Being specific here prevents clutter and helps you keep reporting and automations accurate. If you organize work by space, folder, and list, make sure you place the tasks where your team expects to find them. You'll be asked to set your date format. Match this to the way dates are written in your CSV, whether that's month/day/year, it is day-month-year, or year-month-day. Getting this right is crucial, so due dates and start dates come in correctly. Next to Shittis, choose the delimiter for any multi-value fields in your file, like tags, assignees, or custom multi-selects. Common separators are commas, semicolons, or pipes. Pick the one that matches your CSV, so ClickUp can split those values properly. Click Continue to move ahead. When prompted, upload your file. You can drag and drop the CSV or browse to select it from your computer. Take a moment to confirm you're uploading the most recent version and that it's saved as .csv, not a spreadsheet format like .slx. After you've selected the file, click Import into ClickUp. The upload will begin, and processing time depends on the size of your CSV. Larger files may take a bit longer, so give it a moment. When it's done, your tasks will appear in the destination you chose with the dates and multi-value fields aligned to your settings. That's it. With a clean CSV and the right options, importing into ClickUp is quick, reliable, and repeatable whenever your data needs a refresh.